Hi everyone, welcome to the ultimate beaded elastic bracelet tutorial. In this video, I will show you professional method to make a beautiful bracelet without using glue. Let's get started. First, gather all materials. You will need a elastic cord, beads of your choice, a bead mat and scissors. Measure the elastic cord by wrapping it around your wrist. Leave a little extra for trying the end later. Cut the cord to the appropriate length and to make stringing the beads eraser, lay the elastic cord on a bead mat. This will prevent the beads from rolling away. Now it's time to start beading. Pick up a bead and slide it onto the cord. Continue adding beads until you have reached your desired length. Once all the beads are on the cord, hold both ends and tie a double knot. Make sure it tight enough to hold the beads securely. To ensure a professional finish, tie another double knot. This will prevent the bracelet from coming undone. Trim any excess cord and voila, your beautiful beaded elastic bracelet is completed, and it's easy, stylish and glue free. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy learning this professional method for making beaded elastic bracelet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more easy DIY jewelry guide. Happy crafting guys. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.